Good morning,
Hello.
sir.
Can you hear me clearly?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Hello. Yes. One. So we're doing sums based on gravitation today. Sums based on chapter called as gravitation. So I hope you all must have seen all the videos. We're starting with question number 10, which is plus mark, means it is the solved example of your government textbook. What will be the average duration of the year if the distance between the earth and the sun is doubled, is thrice or twice? So before doing this question, we should know by Kepler's third law of planetary motion. What is Kepler's third law of planetary motion? Do you know? Does anyone know? You've seen
P
the
square is equal to R cube. Directly
square
proportional to
is proportional to R cube. Very good, beta. P square is proportional to R cube. So can I say T2 by T1, the whole square, will be equal to R2 upon R1, the whole cube? Hello? What will be the duration of the year? Means I need T2. पहले कितना टाइम है? 1 year. If the distance between them becomes thrice, means R2 becomes thrice of R1. Are you all understanding what's happening? So this R1 and this R1 cancels. 3 cube कितना होता है? 27. T2, 1 year square. Can I take this on that side? It will become T2 is equal to upon 1 year. It will become root 27. Yes or no, beta? Hello. So T2 will be 1 into root 27 years. Root 27 is approximately how many years? 5.1, 5.2 हो जाएगा. Yes or no? Hello. Hello. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
So this will be. Acha, if they ask you in days, then what has to be done? If they ask you this answer in days, then
multiply by 365.
yeah. So 1 year is 365 into root 27 days. This answer, if you calculate, you get 1897 days. Okay? This is very famous question in your NEET also. Correct? Acha, if they tell you about twice, then what has to be done? ये twice का मतलब क्या होता है? What has to be done? Come on.
OR1.
Yeah?
क्यों हो जाएगा?
R2 will become twice R1, na?
Yes,
R2 will become 2 times R1. So 2 cube will become 8. 8 यहाँ पर हो जाएगा root 8. Root 8. That is 2 root 2 years. Hello? 2
Yes,
root 2
sir.
years. That will be 365 into 2 root 2. So these all questions are very famous, and please make sure you get it. Whether it is thrice or twice or whatever it is, you can get the resultant answer. If you want, I can give you a shortcut also. T2 will always become R raised to 3 by 2 times T1. Sorry, N raised to 3 by 2 times T1. The N is what? This number. यहाँ पर N कितना रहेगा? 3. हेलो, यहां पर n कितना रहेगा? 2. So if you put it in the value, but यहाँ पर in the boards you cannot use this thing. In the JEE or the NEET you can use this thing. So please remember the shortcut. I'll be revising it again when I'll do the DC Pandey. Okay, fine. So Kepler's third law of planetary motion is T square is proportional to R cube. R cube. Remember, please remember. Now we come to, yeah, please pay attention. Yeah. Question number 27 of your, again the plus sign means it is solved GTB. The gravitational force between two bodies is 1 Newton. If the distance is doubled, what will be the gravitational force between them? Very simple question. Can you tell me what is the formula for gravitational force? Hello.
GMM.
GM
GM1
square.
M2.
Can I say gravitational force is inverse to R square? Hello.
Yes, sir.
So can I say gravitational force 2 upon gravitational force 1 will be R2 upon R1 the whole square? Inverse है ना? अच्छा, पहले डेटा में क्या कह रहा है कि gravitational force 1 is 1 Newton. If the distance between them becomes double, means R2 becomes 2 times of R1. कह रहा है what is the next gravitational force? Very simple question. The gravitational 2 force हमको चाहिए. Gravitational force 1 is 1 Newton. R2 is becoming how many times R1 beta? 2 times R1. So this is 2R1 upon R1. The gravitational force will be how many times? Am I done it correct? No.
It should be 1/4.
Yeah, it should be 1/4 because we have done it. It should be inverse. Gravitational force is GMM by R square. F is inverse to R square. Can I say F2 by F1 will be R1 by R2 the whole square. F2, F1 is 1. R1, R2 is becoming twice R1. 1/4. So F2 will be 1/4 Newton. Getting enough? Hello? Or you can
Yes.
just remember that F is inverse to R square. R becomes what beta? Double. Means यहाँ पर put double number. Double का square क्या होता है? 4. So F will be proportional to 1/4. Means what? The final force is 1/4 times of initial force. Did you understand? Just plug in the number in place of R. What is the number over here? 2 times. 3 times होगा तो ये हो जाएगा 1/9. 4 times हो जाएगा तो ये हो जाएगा 1/16. Got it?
Yes.
28 again. Unsolved question of the GTV. Pay attention. Find the gravitational force between the sun and the earth. Very simple. What is the formula which you all have told me right now? F is equal to G.
M1
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 M2
by
by R
M2 by
square.
R square.
अच्छा, दो बॉडीज कौन सी है यहाँ पे? मास ऑफ द अर्थ इनटू मास ऑफ द सन बाय एवरेज डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द अर्थ एंड द सन. करेक्ट है क्या? एंड ऑल द वैल्यूज आर गिवन टू यू. जी का वैल्यू कितना है? 6.67 into 10 raised to -11. जी का वैल्यू इज कांस्टेंट है. यू शुड नो दिस थिंग. हेलो.
Yes, sir.
मास ऑफ द अर्थ 5.98 into 10⁻24 into 1.99 into 10⁻30 upon 1.5 into 10 raised to 11 the whole square. Now look how to solve. Pay attention over here. सब numbers को पहले अलग कर लो. 6.67, 5.98, 1.99, 1.5 का स्क्वायर क्या होता है? 2.25. बराबर क्या? हेलो.
Yes, sir.
Into 10 raised to minus 11 plus 24 plus 30. यहाँ पे 11 का स्क्वायर हो जाएगा 22, ऊपर जाके हो जाएगा minus 22. Am I correct or not? अच्छा, what will be this number equal to? Come on, tell me fast. Add and subtract. Do it fast, please.
21.
21. So F will be this bracket into 10 raised to 21 Newton. So this bracket I'll teach you. Right now you can do by calculator. Correct? Hai? When the class resumes now, it requires a log table. I'll teach you how to a special lecture on logs I'll take. And then I'll teach you how to calculate logs. Right now you can do by calculator. Everyone has the mobile calculator, na? Hello? Hello? Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
So when we resume, I'll teach you how to do logs because log table is required for that. So then it will become easy. This answer will be right now you can do by calculator, and the exam also you can do by calculator. 3.5 into 10 is to 22 Newton आएगा यहाँ पर. So that whatever answer comes in our case will become बराबर है क्या? Hello? Hello? ठीक है ना?
Yes, sir.
मतलब this answer actually should come. कितना आना चाहिए? कितना आना चाहिए ये आंसर? कोई बता सकता है? ये आंसर आपको कैलकुलेटर से क्या मिलना चाहिए? 35 ना?
35.27.
35.27 minus calculated. Very good बेटा. 35.27 into 10 is to 21 आना चाहिए. इसको 3.5 into 10 is to 22 भी लिख सकते हैं. Getting it what's happening? ज़्यादा टाइम वेस्ट मत करो, इसको कैलकुलेट कर लो, आंसर आ जाएगा. No need to worry about anything. Okay? So that's fine. Look at this question, very important and a crucial question. Everyone will pay attention to me now. Pay attention. देखो इधर, ध्यान दो. They are telling you three particles A, B, C have mass m are along a straight line AB, BC. AB and BC are the same. Is 1, 1. A fourth particle D is also located kept perpendicular bisector at a distance 1 meter from B. So this guy is also 1 meter, no problem with that. Determine the gravitational force on D. Pay attention to me. है यहाँ पर कितने पहले कितने particles रखे हैं along this line? A पर है, B पर है, C पर है. कितना distance है? Hello, 1 meter. Correct है? I'll solve it within minutes. हाँ, इतना बड़ा solution है, आपको दिख रहा होगा. But it is very easy. कह रहा है यहाँ पर 1 मीटर दूरी पर I place what? Place what? Another mass D. Hello.
Yes, sir.
अब इधर ध्यान दो. I want to find the gravitational force on D. तो यहाँ पर ये भी mass है. This mass is also there. This mass is also there, and this mass is also there. Gravitation. Can you tell me how many forces are acting on D? How many forces are acting on D? Force किसके कारण होता है? दो forces, दो masses के कारण होता है. So how many forces will be acting on D?
3.
3. One due to A, other due to B, third due to C. Will it be attractive or repulsive? चलो बोलो यार. Sleeping in the morning, yeah. Attractive, repulsive.
Attractive.
Yes. So एक force ऐसे आएगा. And you know gravitational forces along the line joining them. ये इसको इधर खींचेगा. Come towards me. बोलो.
Yes.
एक फोर्स इसको इधर खींचेगा. और ये फोर्सेस को इधर खींचेगा. कम ऑन मैन. हेलो.
Yes, sir.
वेरी गुड वेरी गुड. बेटा आप मुझे बता सकते हो कि ये 1 मीटर है, ये 1 मीटर है, तो ये डिस्टेंस कितना रहेगा? रूट टू. अरे बोलो. इस फोर्स को नाम मैं दूंगा F1, इस फोर्स को नाम मैं दूंगा F2 और इस फोर्स को नाम मैं दूंगा F3. यस और नो? यस और नो? बहुत इजी है.
Yes.
अच्छा F1 का वैल्यू बताओ. F1 यू नो द फॉर्मूला Gmm/r². F1 का फॉर्मूला क्या है? कम ऑन मैन फास्ट. F1 Gmm, m इज mm, बराबर क्या? r². r कितना है? r कितना है भाई? √2 का स्क्वायर क्या होता है? 2. कैन आई से दिस मच न्यूटन? वैल्यू कैलकुलेट कुछ मत करो, अभी रहने दो ऐसे ही. चलेगा ना? हेलो.
Yes,
अच्छा F2 क्या रहेगा? हेलो. F2 is also Gmm/r², ना, but r is √2. बोलो.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me what is F3?
GM square.
Gm² Newton. अच्छा, what can you predict about that thing? That F1 and F2 का magnitude is the same. तो अगर क्या मैं फिर से डायग्राम बनाता हूँ, सब लोग इधर मेरी बात सुनेंगे. तीन फोर्सेस लग रहे हैं. इसका वैल्यू कितना है? F है. इसको भी दोनों को क्या पकड़ता है बेटा? F पकड़ता है ना. दोनों सेम है ना. I will consider these both as a what man? F. चलेगा क्या? चलेगा?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
no? और ये इसका नाम F3 रखता है. अच्छा, can you tell me what is the angle between this F and F? या F1 and F2 के बीच में एंगल कितना है?
90 degree.
90 है. बिकॉज अगर ये 45 है, देखो आइसोसेलेस ट्रायंगल है ना, ये 45, ये 45 और ये भी ये 45 है, तो ये भी 45 रहेगा. सो द रिजल्टेंट एंगल बिटवीन F एंड F कितना है? बोलो.
90.
90. अच्छा, मैंने आपको एक चीज बताई थी. क्या बताई थी? कि अब जब दो फोर्सेस होते हैं इन मैथमेटिकल टूल्स, इफ यू रिमेंबर, जब दो फोर्सेस होते हैं F एंड F एंड 90 डिग्री होता है, तो व्हाट इज द रिजल्टेंट फोर्स बिटवीन टू फोर्सेस? One.
F
What is the
root 2.
result? √2F. This you should know. I had told you बहुत काम लगेगा. तो इधर कौन से दोनों फोर्सेस का √2F आएगा?
F1 and F2.
Yes. F1 and F2 का रिजल्टेंट, ये दोनों का रिजल्टेंट will be √2F. मतलब ये दोनों का रिजल्टेंट ये मिल गया ना. बराबर है क्या? अब I have how many forces left with me? How many forces are left now?
2.
2. Name them. F3 and √2F. So can I say F net will be F3 plus √2F, and since they are there in the same direction, I can add them directly according to vector theory. Yes or no? हेलो. बोलो. चलो F net का फॉर्मूला बताओ. F net क्या रहेगा? F3 कितना है हमारे पास? Gm² √2 F कितना है? F is this gm square by 2. Is this the answer? Is this the answer? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, but यहाँ पर अगर वेक्टर फॉर्म में लिखना है, can I write this is along minus j cap? Have I done it correctly?
Yes, sir.
माइनस j cap मतलब कौन सा डायरेक्शन में नीचे है ना, और नीचे along y axis है ना. If this is बेटा, if this is I cap and this is j cap, down direction will be minus j cap ना. देखो कितना बड़ा सॉल्यूशन था, हमने कितना आसान कर दिया. Did you get it?
Yes, sir.
So it is all about your thinking, okay? Question number 39 पर आता है. Pay attention to me. अब बहुत easy questions है. So if it gets over today, I'll be starting electrostatics on Wednesday. Recorded lecture, electrostatics, and then again numerical lecture. Calculate the value of universal gravitation constant. क्या निकालना है, किसका वैल्यू निकालना है? Come on, please help me out. अभी थोड़ा फास्ट करेंगे.
G.
G.
कैपिटल G का वैल्यू निकालना है. Mass of the earth is given 6 into 10 is to 24. Radius of the earth is given. कितना है radius of the earth? 6400 किलोमीटर. बेटा किलोमीटर मतलब 10 raised to 3 मीटर. हेलो.
Yes, sir.
SI unit is in meter. तो इसको क्या मैं ऐसे लिख सकता हूँ? 6.4 into 10 is to 6 meter. Please remember this thing. Learn by heart. What is the radius of the earth in SI system? 6.4 into 10 raised to
6 meter.
याद ये रख लेना. And acceleration due to gravity is 9.8 meter per second square. Okay. Can you analyze the data? I have done the data listing. It is formula based, concept based nahi hai ye. It is formula based. Can you tell me which formula has to be used?
Gm is equal to gr square.
Yes, बोलो. सही है, correct है. फिर से बोलो.
Yeah. Gm is equal to gr square.
If you remember this formula, Gm is equal to G capital R square, which could also be written as I have done this as Gs small r square. याद है? In the derivation. Hello. याद है आपको? या तो कुछ लोग ऐसे you should know this formula please. या तो ऐसे भी याद रख सकते हैं तुम लोग. G is Gm by R square. Remember please, G is Gm by R square. Hello. Have you seen the videos? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
G is Gm by R square. G is Gm by R square. G is Gm by R square. A very important formula. What is the value of G? Capital G मांगता है, right? Capital M is the mass of the earth. 6 into 10 is to 24. And R का square मतलब 6.4 into 10 is to 6 का square. G का value क्या हो जाएगा? Take G on one side. It will be 9.8 into 6.4 का square. 10 raised to 6 का square is 10 is to 12 upon 6 into 10 is to 24. Numbers अलग कर लो. Numbers क्या हो जाएगा? 9.8 into 6.4 into 6.4 double because it is square upon 6 into 10 is to what? Come on, 10 is to what? 12 ऊपर है, minus 24 ऊपर जाएगा.
Minus 12.
Minus 12. Correct है क्या? This you right now do it by calculator. Come on. Anyone, please. Fast do it. Calculator से 9.8, 6.4, 6.4 divided by 6. Come on, fast. Hello.
66.9.
Can I say it is 6.69 into 10 is to minus 11? Yes or no? Newton meter square upon kg square. यूनिट याद है ना कहाँ से आता है? F is gmm by r square से आएगा. You know the unit because I have done it in the videos. Newton meter square upon kg square. Bolo.
Yes.
So it is based on which formula?
GM by R square.
If you don't know, you can't do. Huh? बहुत important formula है G is GM by R square. Okay. Question number 41. Can you tell me which formula? Again the same thing. Find the value of acceleration due to gravity. क्या निकालना है? Come on. Acceleration
G.
due to gravity. Small g.
G.
Small g. Radius of Mars planet is given 3.4 into 10 raised to 3 kilometer. Kilometer का और एक 3 आ जाएगा. So this will be 3.4 into 10 raised to 6 meter. बोलो. Mass of Mars is also given 6.4 into 10 raised to 23 kg. Come on, look at the data listing and tell me which formula has to be used. Again, same thing. Which formula? G is. Come on, man.
GM by R square.
GM by R square. ये बहुत famous formula है. बहुत famous formula है. ये बहुत जगहों पर use होता है. G निकालना है. G का value कितना है? Capital G 6.67 minus 11 constant है ना ये तो. Mass कितना है? 6.4 into 10 raised to 23 upon 3.4 into 10 raised to 6 the whole square. This answer. Separate the numbers. 6.67 into 6.4 into 3.4 double times 10 raised to minus 11 plus 23 minus 12 नीचे से आएगा. ये तो कैलकुलेटर से करना है. ये कितना हो जाएगा? Come on. 1 or 0? 10 is to 0 na?
Yeah, so 1 no?
Yeah, 1. 10 is to 0, 1. So this answer will come, you'll get 3.6. So G will be 3.63 meter per second square because it is acceleration due to gravity. Hello, getting it now? It's fine. Very simple questions. Yeah.
Sir, in the videos you used binomial expansion in one place. So what is that?
G is G 1 minus 2h by. That will come but due to height. Okay, that will come due to height. It is not being used over here. Okay, that when the sun comes, I'll do that thing.
Okay, sir.
Question number 43. Find the acceleration due to gravity on a planet that is 10 times massive that of the Earth. So can I say mass of the planet is 10 times mass of the Earth, and radius of that planet is 20 times radius of the Earth. Acceleration due to gravity on the Earth is 9.8 meter per second square. I want to find acceleration due to gravity on that planet. बराबर है? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Which formula do you use? Again the same formula. What is G का formula? GM by R square. बराबर है?
Yes, sir.
Can I say, इधर देखो, G planet will become G M planet upon R planet the whole square. G Earth, G mass Earth upon radius Earth the whole square. If I divide both of them, क्या cancel हो जाएगा?
G.
Big G will cancel. Can I say it will be mass of planet upon mass of Earth into radius of Earth upon radius of planet the whole square will become reciprocal? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
भाई इतना तो सबको आता है ना. ये डिवाइड करो ना दोनों को, ये रेसिप्रोकल हो जाएगा. What is gravity planet? Don't know. What is gravity Earth? Sir, I know it is 9.8. What is mass planet upon mass Earth? Mass planet upon mass Earth is 10.
Yes, sir.
What is radius Earth upon radius planet? Radius Earth upon radius planet is 1 by 20. Hello. Square. Bolo.
Yes, sir.
So P planet will become 9.8 into 10. ये हो जाएगा 98 into 1 by 400. So gravity planet will be 98 by 400 meter per second square. Getting it? This
Yes, sir.
answer will be 0.245 meter per second square. You can do it by calculator also. I hope you all have understood how to exploit G is GM by R square. Correct? Hai?
Yes, sir.
Question number 45. Listen to me. Yeah? Listen to me. Please pay attention. It's a very important question asked yesterday's NEET question. Yesterday NEET ka question paper was there, if you know. Okay, same question was asked, same ditto, only the values must be changed. But this question only was asked. A body weighs this much on the surface of the earth. So how much is the weight on the earth? How much will it weigh on a planet? And mass of the planet is 1/7 of mass of the earth. And radius of the planet is twice the radius of the earth. ऐसे नहीं लग रहा है हमने अभी फॉर्मूला किया था ये? अरे पीछे अभी जो फाइंड किया हमने, क्या फाइंड किया था? हमने जी फाइंड किया था, बराबर है क्या? हेलो.
Yes, sir.
एंड हमारा वेट किसके कारण होता है? जी के कारण ही तो होता है. मास तो सेम रहता है.
Yes, sir.
Do you agree? अच्छा, can I say weight of the body is nothing but the gravitational force of attraction? Do you agree with me?
Yes, sir.
Can I say weight is equal to gravitational force का फॉर्मूला क्या है? GMM by
R square.
R square. So can I say weight over here is proportional to, इधर ध्यान देना, what is constant all over here? क्या constant है इस फॉर्मूला में? क्या constant है?
G.
G
and
constant.
yeah.
Small m is also constant. Mass of the body will always remain the same. चाहे आप अर्थ पे रहो या प्लैनेट पे रहो, mass is going to remain the same ना. यहाँ पे कौन चेंज हो रहा है या फिर प्लैनेट चेंज हो रहा है? बट आपकी बॉडी तो सेम है ना. हेलो भाई, what is small m? Small m is constant. You are पहले on the earth, then you are going on the planet. Can I say weight over here is proportional to mass upon r square? Can I say weight on the planet upon weight on the earth will be mass of the planet upon mass of the earth, and radius is down, so यहाँ पर उल्टा हो जाएगा, will be radius earth upon radius planet the whole square. Did you get what am I doing? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Weight of the planet, don't know. Weight on the earth 5.6. Can you tell me what is mass planet upon mass earth? Mass planet upon mass earth is 1/7. No? Can you tell me what is radius earth upon radius planet? Radius earth upon radius planet will be 1/2. 1/2 का square. Hello. Weight on the planet will be 5.6. 7 into 4. 7 into 2 square 4 हो गया ना? हेलो बोलो यार. 7 4 28. So this will be 0.2 kilogram weight. इसको मार्क करो. Very important. Hello. What is the catch? What is the concept extraction? This is the concept extraction. Okay. This is the, what sir? Concept over here. Then you can carry forward the formula and everything. बराबर है? Weight of the
Yes,
body
sir.
is equal to gravitational force of attraction. Once you do the concept extraction, you can get the data listing. तो आपने वैसे ही कर लिया start में. You will get the answers. Okay. Question number 50. Show that acceleration due to gravity at depth d. Can you tell me what are the formula for acceleration due to gravity at depth? G
1 minus D by R.
1 minus d by r. You should know this thing, huh? हेलो, अच्छा, and altitude h. Can you tell me what are the gravitation? Okay, acceleration due to gravity at height h.
G capital R square upon small r square.
This is for larger heights, but they are telling you altitude is small. ये देखो यहाँ पर, बोलो, हेलो. So somebody has asked me कि भाई आपने binomial expansion कैसे किया था? अब इधर ध्यान दो, इधर ध्यान दो. Can I say GH is equal to G big R square upon small r? But you remember what is small r? Hello.
R plus H.
Can I take this r down? Can I write this as G R plus H upon R the whole square? Some mathematics wale, do you all understand what did I do? अरे बाबा, I took this r down, man, in the denominator. Hello. चलेगा क्या? Hello.
Yes, sir.
ये क्या हो जाएगा? कौन, कैन एनीवन टेल मी ये क्या हो जाएगा फॉर्मूला? 1 plus h by r the whole square. हाँ भाई, can I write this as g 1 plus h by r raised to -2? Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Abhi always remember in binomial theorem, whenever something is 1 plus x raised to n, it will be 1 plus nx plus some higher terms, and that higher terms are always neglected in physics because this x is very small. This is very very
Small.
small number. तो ये physics में हमेशा याद रखना है. Mathematics में it will go आगे, और terms भी आएंगे. Okay, you have done binomial theorem in your mathematics, हुआ है कि नहीं? You're not done.
No, sir.
ठीक है, तो आपको आ जाएगा, कोई इतना टेंशन लेने की जरूरत नहीं है. You'll get it. अच्छा, कोई बता सकते हैं यहाँ पर ये फॉर्मूला क्या हो जाएगा? ये हो जाएगा 1 minus 2h by r plus higher terms neglected. Hello. Hello, man. What happened?
Yes, sir.
So what will be gh equal to? G 1 minus 2h by r. बट ये फॉर्मूला कब यूज कर सकते हैं? ये फॉर्मूला तभी यूज कर सकते हैं जब h by r, this term is very 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 what sir? What?
Small.
Small.
मतलब h is small ना, in the numerator it should be small. और क्या क्वेश्चन में बोला है altitude is small? देखो, हेलो, अरे यार देखो तो, प्लीज रिस्पॉन्ड. हाँ, बोला है ना?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
कैन आई से gh का फॉर्मूला कौन सा इस्तेमाल करना है? g 1 minus 2h by r. Yes. Why? Because h by r is very very what? Small.
Small.
I hope everyone has understood. क्या करना है? अब दोनों को डिवाइड कर दो. तो gd क्या हो जाएगा? gd अपॉन gh. क्या कैंसिल हो गया डिवाइड करेंगे तो? अरे टेल मी यार.
G.
g कैंसिल हो गया. अच्छा, एलसीएम लो उसका, फिर क्या हो जाएगा? और यहाँ पर क्या हो जाएगा? What is the resultant answer? R minus d upon R minus 2h. Proved. यही तो प्रूफ करना है. Got it? देखो, हेलो, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Question number 59. Listen to me, now. Pay attention, please. Calculate the acceleration due to gravity at height h. कहाँ पर निकालना है acceleration due to gravity? कहाँ पर find करना है? Height h.
Yeah.
मतलब indirectly you need to find what बेटा? gh. कितना height है? कितना height है?
300 kilometers.
300 kilometer.
From the surface of the earth. Mass दिया है and radius भी दिया है. Which formula? You all had told me right now the formula. gh क्या formula क्या है? g big R square upon small r square. यहाँ पर हाइट छोटा नहीं है. हाइट इज 300 किलोमीटर. अच्छा खासा बड़ा हाइट है. बराबर है? हेलो.
Yes, sir.
You have to use this formula. You cannot use the shortcut formula. उसमें error आएगा. Can I write this formula as g big R square upon small r square? Small r को लिख सकते हैं बेटा r plus h the whole square. बोलो. ओके. बट एक चीज मुझे बात बताइए बेटा. प्लीज रिमेंबर ओवर हियर. प्लीज लिसन ओवर हियर. कैन आई व्हाट इज गिवन इन द डेटा एंड व्हाट फॉर्मूला एम आई यूजिंग? क्या ये दिया हुआ है? क्या ये दिया हुआ है आपको? लुक एट द डेटा.
No, sir.
No. That means you cannot use this formula because this g is not given. Okay. ये फॉर्मूला हमने लिख तो लिया बट ये फॉर्मूला हम लोग यूज नहीं कर सके बिकॉज देयर इज नो स्मॉल जी गिवन. कोई बता सकते हैं और कोई फॉर्मूला आपको याद है? ये फॉर्मूला आपको याद
we
है?
have to find, no? Calculate the
No.
acceleration due to gravity.
बाबा acceleration due to gravity where we need to find? At height. ये फॉर्मूला याद है? gm is g r square which is gh. Gh what? Small r square. You know this formula? I've done it.
Yes, sir.
Can I use the first and the third? gm is equal to gh into small r square. So what will be gh equal to small r square? What is small r? R plus h the whole square. अब ये देखो m आ गया ना फॉर्मूला में. m दिया है ना आपको? हेलो.
Yes, sir.
You cannot use this formula because ये नहीं दिया हुआ. इसलिए हम लोग ये फॉर्मूला यूज नहीं करेंगे. क्लियर है ना? जी का वैल्यू कितना है? जी का वैल्यू तो सबको मालूम है 6.67 10⁻11 होता है. मास कितना है? मास 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 कितना है? मास 5.98 10⁻24. Can you tell me what is capital R? Capital R कितना है?
6.4 into 10 raised to 6.
हाँ. एक मिनट है. सबसे पहले R plus H साइड में निकाल लो. Calculate R plus H in the side. What is R? 6400 kilometer. And this is 300 kilometer. So this answer will be 6700 kilometer. Bolo.
Yes, sir.
Which could also be written as 6.7 into 10 raised to 6 meter. Hello. अब
Yes,
इधर
sir.
substitute करो. 6.7 into 10 raised to 6 meter. इधर substitute करो the whole square. Now numbers को अलग कर लो. 6.67 into 5.98 into 6.7 का square है तो I'll write it 2 times. ये number अलग करके calculator से निकालो. 10 raised to minus 11 plus 24 minus 12. Yes or no? यहाँ पर ये number कितना हो जाएगा? 1. 10 is to
10
1.
raised to 1.
That will be 10. And this number you can do by calculator. You will get the resultant answer in meter per second square. Got it? Yes or no? No? this resultant answer will come 8.85. मतलब this answer by calculator you will get 0.885 into 10:1 करेंगे तो 8.85 आ जाएगा ना बेटा. Got it? It is just formula based on. Question number 60. 60 and 62 are the same type. Look carefully, I know. At what distance above the earth surface? क्या निकालना है? At what distance above the earth surface? क्या find करना है? H. Gravity decreases to how many percent?
10.
By मतलब क्या हो गया? By मतलब क्या? What do you mean by 10%? Means gravity is becoming how many percent over there?
90.
हाँ. Very important है बेटा. Gravity is becoming 90% over there. It is not decreasing to. मतलब हाइट छोटा ही हाइट रहेगा ना. हेलो, इतना बड़ा हाइट तो रहेगा नहीं. ग्रेविटी का डिक्रीमेंट सिर्फ 10% हुआ है. हेलो.
Yes,
Can I
sir.
say over here change is small or big? Small means up to 10%. Whenever I say small, it is up to how many percent? 10%. So it is 10% only. No issues with that thing. Which formula will I use? अगर आप अर्थ के ऊपर जाते हैं तो ग्रेविटी का फॉर्मूला क्या है? What is the formula for GH, which I have done it right now?
G into 1 minus 2h by r.
Why did I use 1 minus 2h by r?
Small height.
Small height, because change is small. H by r is small. Why? Because change in gravity is small. Because अगर height छोटा रहेगा तो change in gravity will also be small, ना only. Did you understand? Okay, यहाँ पर I am making your life little easy. You can use that big formula also, no issues with that thing. You can use that also. उससे भी use करके हम लोग देखते हैं. What is the answer? बेटा GH upon G will be 1 minus 2h by r. Can you tell me what is GH by G? कितना हो गया gravity at height h? कितना percent हो चुका?
9 by 10.
Yeah. So can I say gravity at height h is becoming 90% of the earth gravity? That means it could be written as what? What? Come on, fast. 9 by 10 of G. 90% हो गया. Don't write 10%. Can I write this? It will become 9 by 10. GH upon G is 9 by 10 ना. इसको G को नीचे ले लो. Is 1 minus 2h by r. What is r का value? 6400. So can I say 2h by 6400 is 1 minus 9 by 10. That will be 1 by 10. This and this 10 cancel. ये हो गया 320. So h का value कितना आया directly? Hello. Hello.
Yes,
Yes
sir.
or no? This is 320 kilometer by this short method. Hello. बोलो सही है ना?
Yes, sir.
अब can I do the same thing by method number 2? आप कहेंगे नहीं सर हमको बड़ा वाला फॉर्मूला इस्तेमाल करना है. अच्छा, this formula is only valid for this, हाँ, but that formula is valid universally. मतलब आप कहीं पर भी किधर भी हाइट पे जाओ, you can apply. So I am doing by method number 2. What formula will I apply? Come on, help me. GH का formula क्या है? G big R square upon.
Small r square.
So can I say GH upon G क्या हो जाएगा?
9 by 10.
No. ये ऐसे लिख सकता हूँ मैं? हेलो. ऐसे लिख सकता हूँ ना मैं?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
अच्छा, what is GH by G? चलेगा क्या भाई? चलेगा.
Yes, sir.
कैन आई टेक रूट ऑन ऑल साइड्स? ये क्या हो गया? रूट ऑफ 3 क्या होता है? 9 क्या होता है? 3।
3.
और ये हो जाएगा रूट 10। बोलो।
Yes, sir.
ये r है और छोटो r को लिख सकते हो r प्लस h। बोलो। क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करो, क्या हो गया? हेलो, आर यू ऑल अंडरस्टैंडिंग व्हाट एम आई डूइंग?
Yes, sir.
अच्छा, 10 का रूट कितना होता है? 10 का रूट इज अप्रोक्सीमेटली 3.3। बराबर है क्या भाई?
Yes, sir.
तो ये हो जाएगा 3r प्लस 3h इज अप्रोक्सीमेटली 3.3r। ये क्या हो जाएगा? 3h कितना बराबर हो जाएगा? 0.3r के बराबर। हेलो,
Yes, sir.
0.33r के बराबर। 0.33 आएगा ना यहाँ पर? नहीं, 3 सॉरी 0.3 ओनली। What will be h equal to? 0.1r। हेलो,
Yes, sir.
what is h का वैल्यू? कितना है आंसर?
640.
Now which method is correct? You tell me. I purposely did 2 methods. You can see the error which is coming. Hello? हेलो,
Yes, sir.
क्या करना है? कौन सा फॉर्मूला ज्यादा सही है?
Second.
सेकंड वाला। ओके, यू कैन सी जैसे हम ओनली छोटे एल्टीट्यूड्स के हम लोग फॉर्मूला यूज कर सकते हैं, बिग एल्टीट्यूड्स पे अगर आप यूज करने जाएंगे तो देयर इज एरर कमिंग। हाउ मेनी परसेंट एरर इज देयर ओवर हियर? यू कैन सी देयर इज 100% एरर। देखो, अरे यार ये 320 है, ये उसका डबल है ना?
Yes, sir.
So there is 100% error. So always generally stick to which formula बेटा? अगर बहुत हाइट कम है then only you can use this formula. हमारे डाइजेस्ट में ये फॉर्मूला दिया है which is wrong. You can't use this thing. Getting it?
Yes, sir.
अरे भाई ठीक है। हेलो, use the general formula. Okay, चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं। 62 again I'll do at what distance below the surface of the earth। मतलब क्या फाइंड करना है? below the surface क्या
D.
होता है? depth. Acceleration due to gravity decreases by 10%। मतलब क्या हो गया? Come on fast.
90%.
वही 9 by 10 of g. So what is gd by g? 9 by 10. And radius of the earth is given. Which formula for gd? Do you know the formula for gd?
G into 1 minus T by R.
So what is gd by g? What is gd by g? ये d by r कितना हो जाएगा? 1 minus 9 by 10. What is 1 minus 9 by 10?
1 by 10.
तो d का वैल्यू क्या हो गया? r by 10. What is r? What is the answer? बोलो। हेलो। Did you get it, beta? How to do?
Sir, so that means that gravity increases and decreases both 10% at 640 above and below the Earth's surface.
Yes. ये वही कहना चाह रहा था कि अगर ऐसे क्वेश्चन आ गया आपको कि अगर 10% कम होता है, what is the depth and the height? So answer is the same. Everywhere answer will not be the same, huh? Everywhere the answer will not be the same. But your 10% decrement of gravity in the depth and the height is going to remain at a height or the depth at how many kilometer, beta?
640.
640 किलोमीटर। ऐसे स्टैंडर्ड रिजल्ट आप लोग याद कर सकते हो। तो जैसे आप सम सॉल्व करेंगे, you'll get a better idea of what is happening in the question. Okay. What is the gravitational potential due to Earth at the point at a height of 2r? Can anyone tell me what is the formula for gravitational potential? Gravitational potential about the Earth's surface. Yes. Minus gm by small r, if you remember. Hello? याद है कि नहीं? Gravitation potential energy at height h क्या था? Minus gmm by r ना, याद है? Have you seen the videos?
Yes, sir.
So potential energy and potential में क्या relation है? You can drop the small m. So when you drop the small m, you get potential at height h. Can anyone tell me what is gravitational potential on the Earth's surface? This is at height h. Height h के लिए यहाँ पे small r आएगा. And if anyone asks you what is gravitational potential on the Earth's surface, can you tell me what is the formula?
Capital R.
Yes. Please remember all these things. Huh? This is potential on the surface. Minus gm by capital R. Because what is potential energy at height h? This is the potential energy at height h. What is the potential energy on the Earth's surface? सब पढ़ा है ना हमने बाइंडिंग एनर्जी में. हेलो, व्हाट हैपेंड? गेटिंग इट? अच्छा, हमको फाइंड क्या करना है? ग्रेविटेशनल पोटेंशियल ऑन दी एट हाइट h माइनस gm बाय स्मॉल r. स्मॉल r को लिख सकता हूं, कैसे लिखेंगे? r plus h. So potential, what is g का वैल्यू? What is capital M? 6 into 10 is to 24. देखो दिया हुआ है ना capital M, mass of the earth दिया हुआ है. R plus H. What is capital R? Capital R ये है. And what is height? Hello? Height कितना है? अरे tell me man, how much is the height?
2 into 6,400.
2 into 6,400. तो पहले है ना R plus H साइड में निकाल लेते हैं. This will be R is R, H is 2R. So can I say it will be 3R? That will be 3 into 6.4 into 10 raised to 6. बोलो. Hello?
Yes, sir.
So can I substitute this 3 into 6.4 into 10 raised to 6? Numbers को अलग करो. ये नंबर सब अलग हो गए. क्लियर? अच्छा, यहाँ पर 10 is to minus 11 plus 24 minus 6. ये नंबर कितना हो जाएगा? हेलो बोलो मैन.
7.
7. So potential will become minus of whatever you do by calculator into 10 is to 7. Potential is in volts. Getting it? Or it could also be written as joule per kg. दोनों चलेगा. वोल्ट भी चलेगा because 1 joule per kg is 1 volt. बराबर है? हेलो.
Yes, sir.
Formulas याद रखना. Not be able to do otherwise. Next question. $78. What will be the change in the potential energy when a mass m is raised from height re to above the earth's surface to 5 by 2 re. Can you tell me what is the formula for potential energy? Minus gmm by r. बराबर है? Hello,
Yes,
yes
sir.
or no? अच्छा, can you tell me what is the initial potential energy of the system? Minus gmm. r को r plus h लिखेंगे ना? Can you tell me what is the initial height? re. तो ये हो जाएगा r plus r ना? इनिशियल पोटेंशियल एनर्जी कितना मिला? 2r. अच्छा, फाइनल पोटेंशियल एनर्जी कितना हो जाएगा? r plus h. बट h कितना है सेकंड केस में?
5/2.
If you add, what will you get? Come on, fast. कितना हो गया? 7/2r ना? Hello.
Yes, sir.
So it will be minus 2/7 gmm by r. Question 2. Whenever they ask you what is change in potential energy, I had taught you in physics, जब भी change होगा, it is final minus initial. It is final minus initial. Change in potential energy will be potential energy final minus potential energy initial. इसको ऐसे लिखते हैं. Delta U is always U final minus U initial. This is the denomination for potential energy. अभी फिलहाल ऐसे लिख लेते हैं. What is potential energy final minus 2/7 gmm by r? Minus of initial potential energy is minus gmm by r. Can you tell me what is common in between them? It will be minus 2/7. Hello. Plus half. बोलो भाई.
Yes, sir.
तो if you take LCM कितना हो जाएगा? चलो बोलो. -4 plus 7 by 14. हेलो.
Yes, sir.
कितना हो गया आंसर?
3/14.
Is the answer. Getting it?
Yes, sir.
This is how you do, and there are no values given, so you can leave the answer this way only. No issues with anything. Bolo? Yes, correct. So you need to try the sums, otherwise you will not be able to do it. Correct है भाई?
Yes,
चलो
sir.
आगे बढ़ते हैं. 2-3 questions more. '83, very important. If the earth were made up of wood, earth किससे बना हुआ था? Wood से. The mass of the wooden earth will be 10%. 10% मतलब 1/10 of the mass of the right now earth. Mass of the wooden earth is 1/10 of mass of the earth, which is right now, without changing its diameter. Diameter मतलब क्या? Radius of the wooden earth and the radius of the earth is the same, ना? Hello. Calculate the escape speed of the wooden earth. So I need escape speed of the wooden earth. सही है ना? अच्छा, can you tell me the formula for escape velocity?
√2 gm by r.
Perfect man. √2 gm by r. अच्छा, इधर से कौन सी चीज चेंज हो रही है अकॉर्डिंग टू द डेटा? बोलो फटाफट.
m.
सिर्फ m चेंज हो रहा है. So can I say escape velocity is proportional to √m only? Rest all is constant ना बेटा? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Can I say escape velocity of wooden earth upon escape velocity of real earth will be root of mass of wooden earth upon mass of real earth? escape velocity of wooden earth पता नहीं है. escape velocity of real earth आपको मैंने बताया था थियरी में, it is 11.2 किलोमीटर पर सेकेंड. हेलो. If you don't know, you can leave the answer this way only. Okay? अगर आपको ये चीज पता नहीं है पता है तो ठीक है, वरना इसको ऐसे ही लिखते हैं, एस के वेलोसिटी ऑफ रियल अर्थ. हेलो, दिस इज एस के वेलोसिटी ऑफ रियल अर्थ. व्हाट इज रूट ऑफ मास वुड अपॉन मास अर्थ? कितना रहेगा? मास वुड अपॉन मास अर्थ इज हाउ मच? कितना है?
1
110
by
ना?
10.
What is escape velocity of wooden earth? Escape velocity is real earth by root 10. So always remember this value is 11.2 kilometer per second. What is it? 11.2 और ये root 10 हो जाएगा. So this will be the real answer. If you need the answer, this will be the answer. Clear है?
Yes, sir.
Hello. Fine with it. Correct? चलो आगे बढ़ेंगे. This I'll give you for homework. It is done in the videos also. I'll do star mark questions now. 109 पे आते हैं. I'll do 109 and 115. Start करते हैं. Calculate the speed of the satellite. Which speed are they asking about? Come on, please help me out. Which speed are they asking about?
Critical velocity.
Critical velocity. What is the formula for critical speed? बोलो क्या है
GM
formula?
by
Root of GM by small r. याद है ना? हेलो. अच्छा, can I write this as root of GM by small r? Small r को लिख सकते हैं बेटा r plus h. चलो वैल्यू पुट करना है. What is g का वैल्यू? What is capital M? कैपिटल R कितना है? कैपिटल R प्लस h साइड में निकालो. कैपिटल R कितना होता है? देखो ना 6.4, मतलब इट इज 6400 किलोमीटर ना. प्लस h कितना है? 1000. So it will be 7400 kilometer. Can I write this as beta 7.4 into 10 raised to 6 meter? बोलो.
Yes, sir.
Again and again we are doing the same thing. Other value, put it here. It will be 7.4 into 10 raised to 6. चलो numbers अलग करो. It will be root, हाँ root के अंदर आएगा. तो it will be 6.67 into 5.98 into 7.4. ये रेस टू हाफ आएगा बिकॉज रूट है. इसको कैलकुलेटर से कैलकुलेट करना. दूसरा वाला नंबर्स कौन सा है? 10 to minus 11, 10 raised to 24 और 10 raised to minus 6 आ गया. दिस विल आल्सो बी रेस टू हाफ. बोलो यस और नो?
Yes, sir.
अच्छा इधर ध्यान दो. इसको सॉल्व, इसका वैल्यू कितना रहेगा? इसका नंबर का वैल्यू कितना? ये तो कैलकुलेटर से आ जाएगा, बराबर है क्या?
7 by 2.
into यार कम ऑन टेल मी प्लीज. 10 raised to
7 by 2.
7 raised to half. सही है? हेलो.
Yes, sir.
Now look how to solve. ये कैलकुलेटर वाला तो कैलकुलेटर वाला ही रहेगा, आपको टेंशन लेना नहीं है. इसको मैं ऐसे लिख सकता हूँ 10 into 10 raised to 6 root of that. Hello.
Yes, sir.
This could also be written as calculator root 10 into 10 raised to 3. 10 raised to 6 का रूट क्या होता है? 10 raised to 3 और रूट 10 तो आपको पता चल जाएगा ना कैलकुलेटर से. 3 पॉइंट कुछ है, 3.2 या 3.3 whatever. हेलो.
Yes, sir.
सो इट विल बी कैलकुलेटर वाला into इसको पकड़ो 3.2 या 3.3 whatever you want to consider into 10 raised to 3. हाँ क्या? मीटर पर सेकेंड, because I have expressed everything in meters ना. Got it everyone?
Yes, sir.
Understanding?
Yes.
Yeah. We'll come to question number 121, which is very important. Calculate the kinetic energy, potential energy, total energy, binding energy of an artificial satellite. एकदम easy है, इधर ध्यान देना. Can you tell me the formula for binding energy at height h? याद है?
GMM by 2R.
या बोलो सही है. GMM by 2, which are
Small r.
small r. ये मालूम है. What is kinetic energy का formula? Same. Always remember kinetic energy का value and binding energy का value is the value same आएगा दोनों का. Numerical value is going to be the same. कितना आएगा? हेलो. अच्छा, can you tell me the formula for total energy? आपको पता है ना, total energy is minus of binding energy. Yes or no? Hello? अच्छा, can you tell me the formula for potential energy at height h? Correct? Hello? ये सब याद करना पड़ेगा आप लोग को. चलो शुरू करेंगे. Are you all there or went? हैं? Please. Binding energy का formula है GMM by 2R. Kinetic energy is numerically equal to binding energy. Total energy is minus GMM by 2R. Potential energy is minus GMM by R. चलो वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट करते हैं. इधर ध्यान दो. 6.67 minus 11, 6 into 10 is to 24. Small m कितना है? Small m is 2000 kg. 0.2 into small r. Small r is what? Hello, what is small r? R plus h. What is r? 6400. h कितना है? h किधर गया?
3600.
कितना हो जाएगा ये?
10,000.
10,000 किलोमीटर को लिख सकते हैं 10⁷ मीटर. बोलो.
Yes, sir.
इधर आ जाएगा 10⁷. When you do the numbers and when you calculate, you get the binding energy as ध्यान रखो 40.02 into 10⁹. अब देखो मेरी बात सुनो. एक मिला ना, बाकी और कुछ कैलकुलेट करने की जरूरत नहीं है. और भी काइनेटिक एनर्जी का फॉर्मूला. काइनेटिक एनर्जी का वैल्यू कितना रहेगा? कम ऑन फास्ट. टोटल एनर्जी का वैल्यू के साथ क्या करना है? बोलो.
Yes, sign.
अच्छा, can you tell me what is the relation between potential energy and kinetic energy? Kinetic energy is half.
Minus.
अरे इधर 2 नहीं है ना, इधर 2 नहीं है. देखो ये 2 नहीं है ना इधर, मतलब ये डबल है ना इसका. Can I say potential energy is double of minus of kinetic energy? You're smart enough, man. Come on.
Yes, sir.
सब कुछ कैलकुलेट ही करना है, सिर्फ एक ही को कैलकुलेट करना है. What will be potential energy का वैल्यू? इसका डबल करो. हेलो, minus 80.18 into 10⁹ joule. Did you get it?
Yes, sir.
So this is binding energy, kinetic energy, total energy, potential energy at height h. Always remember binding energy पहले निकाल लेने का. GMM by 2R. This is at height h. ठीक है? So remember the relation that binding energy, kinetic energy is the same. Numerically, the magnitudes will be the same. अच्छा, what will be the relation with total energy and binding energy? Minus. अच्छा, what is the relation between potential energy and kinetic energy? बोलो. Hello.
Yes, sir.
So this is how you do the sums which are formula based, nothing else. I hope you all have understood this thing. Any doubts will be there, so we'll conduct a doubt solving session also of gravitation numericals. I think all the numericals are over of GTV. ठीक है, so Wednesday से we'll be starting with which chapter? Electrostatics. Thank you very much.
Bye, sir. Thank you.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.